Hi, my name is Nick Weiss. I am the founding attorney and managing attorney of NT Weiss Law with offices in Elyria and South Euclid, Ohio. Thank you for watching this video. We try to give actionable, useful information, legal information that you can use either in your own life or in conjunction with an attorney. So you'll be watching these from both myself and the other attorneys at my firm. Today, I want to discuss children during the holidays. This is not strictly a legal analysis, although it can affect parenting time. It can affect allocations of parenting rights and responsibilities. But there are some best practices that you can follow, not just for a legal advantage, although certainly that can help, but also just to make the holidays meaningful, making them a good experience for your kids. This is a very stressful time. I know this. We all know this. We've dealt with our families. We've dealt with kids who are the subject of divorce or custody disputes. This time must be about them. It cannot be about you. There will be hiccups. There will be difficulty in getting the kids back and forth. There will be communication breakdowns. There will be things that go wrong. Things always go wrong when you are doing holiday events, you're doing holiday transactions, transitions. Take it with some grace. Take it with some understanding. Now is not the time to fight about who gets the extra hour. Now is not the time to fight about who got to be on the phone longer with the child over Christmas Day. Now is the time to take what time you have with your kids, whether it's your year or not your year during the holidays, and make this a meaningful and special time for them. You have to take yourself out of it. You have to take your ego out of it. And that's true even if you're not the one doing anything wrong. Even if it's the other parent who is being the bad actor, who is not respecting your parenting time order, who is riling the kids up. Don't stoop to that level. It will not help. Help your kids enjoy their time with the other parent. And if there are things that go wrong, bring them to that other parent's attention, document them so that you have them if later we do have to take action on a legal basis, a modification of parent or some kind of sanctions. But now is not the time to get into a fight. Now is not the time to yell. Now is the time to make sure your kids have a good holiday. That's just to be a good person, but it's also to help us if we need to remedy something that happened over the holidays at a later time. I say this as someone whose parents were divorced. I went back and forth a lot. I have firsthand experience on this. And the times that I remember best are the times when there wasn't fighting. Even though I know there were things to fight about. Keep that in mind. How do you want your kids to remember that holiday? If you have any other questions about what your best practices should be during the holidays or even in general during parenting plan or what you can expect, please feel free to give our office a call.